Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Tag Manager for accurate SEO events, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts. Once logged in, you'll see your workspace. Click on Create Account if you haven't set one up yet. Enter your account name and select your country. Fill in the container name, typically your website's name. Select Web as the target platform. After creating the container, you'll receive a code snippet. Place the snippet on every page of your website before the closing head tag. Next, return to your Google Tag Manager workspace. Click on Tags in the left sidebar. Then, click on New to create a new tag. You'll need to set up a tag configuration. Choose Google Analytics, Universal Analytics for accurate tracking. Select the tag type as Event. Fill in the event category, action, and label to define your SEO events. Set the non-interaction hit to true for events that don't affect bounce rate. Next, you'll need to configure the trigger. Click on Triggering and then click on New. Choose a trigger type based on the action you want to measure. For example, to track clicks, select the click trigger. Define the trigger conditions for when the tag should fire. You can target specific URLs or elements on the page. Once your tag and trigger are set, name the tag for easy identification. Now, click on Submit to save your changes. In the version description, briefly explain what you've added. Publish the changes to make your tag active. Next, use the preview mode to test your configurations. Visit your website and perform the events you want to track. Check the Google Tag Manager debug panel to ensure your events are firing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.